I think loko mcoka kakhulu is the company that you keep.
Wow. Yeah.
The company that
Say that again. Please say that again.
The company, that you
company
keep is very important, and in an impact empilweni yakho, negative wise, positive wise. Yeah.
Danke Mpilo, danke live, danke Natik. Siyabonga ama-Afrika mahle, sesiphinde sibuyile njalo. We are back again by popular demand. Welcome to the Blue Art Podcast, the only podcast that is proudly brought to you by Natik, all the way from Shiselane region. Please guys, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. And also, in the comment section lapha, siyanicela bafethu, please. Sicela ukuzwa umuzwa wakho ukuthi uthini wena uhleli lapha. I'm your host today, Thokozani Torres, aka Makazi, Wakadube Sibongo, all the way from Kabulawayo, kwantutu Ziyathula. Today, nesivakashi sami, the special guest, she was here in the previous episode. Bacela abanye benu bangibhalela ama-inbox, hayi siyamcela lo sisi lo yabuya. She's here today. Lindo, how are you?
I'm good.
Right. I'm good. I'm perfect.
So how do I introduce myself now? My name is Lindo, all the way from Teni.
I'm giving you the podium.
So guys, my name is Lindo Buhle, Magamamba Sibongo, and I'm a peer educator khona la. Kanatik.
Wow. Yeah. You're the peer educator. Peer educator. You're the peer educator. You're the peer educator.
Yabonile ngisebenza nawo ngembala ke, you still don't know what a peer educator is.
Chazi yini peer educator. Otherwise you're right.
I'm good. How are you?
No, you're looking awesome.
Thank you.
Akwenzani manje? Aseniyeke into lokufaka ama lento sayikhulumisa last week. Iyeke la lokufaka lamanangi
Ngase ngibuka ngani?
Ngifuna usonzile ubuye kanje. Guys, as you know, last week besikhulumisa indaba ye-unemployment. Indaba lesithinta sonke esibantu abasha. And today ngiphethe yena Lindo urepresenta i-youth, angisho njalo. Ngiyakugcoba namhlanje ukufaka stamp. You are a youth representative yala Swazini. Certified, yes. Sifuna ukukhulumisa le ndaba ye-unemployment ukuthi it's impact kanjani thina as a youth, and I understand now u-youth ngicela ukusho kanje ukuthi now you've been unemployed, but with God's grace ukhonile ukuthi usurvive, ukhonile ukuthi usustain, yabona. So namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi sidole deep into the conversation ye-unemployment. But before singene lapho nangama Easter sondela. Any plans for the Easter holidays?
Mina Dube, I am a woman led by God. I'll be in church.
Power to that.
Power to that.
Cela verse.
Lapha Isaiah 40. Verse 29 to 31.
Okay.
When it's velele bamflabasha, the youth shall utterly fall, but the ones that turn to God, He will give their strength. They'll fly high like eagles. Yeah, bangakhathali.
Like a phoenix.
Yeah,
like a phoenix. Hey, this is Lona. Hey, guys, ngicela ukutshela one thing. Hey, this is Lona. Hey, angazothi ngiqale kuphi. You know, yabona ukuthi nithi nihleli phansi, yabona nitshela ukuthi nanifundzile ini, yabona nitshela ukuthi vele thina we know everything. Aqhamuke nethi kusay there's a bird called phoenix. Mina bengiqala ukuzwa igama elithi phoenix. Ngabathi yini le phoenix? Please guys, let me give you the opportunity. Asichazele ngale phoenix ukuthi yini le phoenix. And I believe vele into ukuthi the whole asichazela ngakhona, you know. Even till today, I still go back to lento loyisho about the phoenix, you know, and it applies in my daily life. Please just take this opportunity to chazele nje umbukeli ukuthi masikhuluma nge-phoenix uzame nje nawe loku yakubona.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we're talking about the phoenix,
sure,
this is a mythical bird. Okay. So it is said it's a mythical bird, like both China. So what it does when it senses Guti, the end is near, it sets itself on fire.
Okay.
And then it burns. And then iphelele kuma ashes. And then after sekwendeke konke sekuselela ama ashes, iphindze yakheke kabusha.
ile shine sekhona in Africa.
Not Dube. That's why I'm saying it's a mythical bird because we don't know how true it is. You know, as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't think influence. She now she's on the paper. I wouldn't think it back to life. You know? So it's quite amazing.
Oh, okay. So then, how does it apply to our lives as Sibantu thina? I understand ukuthi iyasha iphinde ivuke, right? So kufana neLazarus, ukhumbula Jesus avusa uLazarus. Vuka Lazarus. Wavusa kulabo filo uyakubona.
Yeah.
So like, how do you apply it to somebody's life?
Okay, I would say applying ukuthi there comes a time in life where utoba netinking, you know. Wendlule in umlilo actually maybe abona you're in crosspath with fire and you think ukuthi lo mlilo lo I'll make an example ngale nyoni. Now uyibona isha when you think ukuthi umlilo we destroyer. You understand? So in your situation we think lama situations now are there to actually destroy you. But what you don't know is you still have la mandla ekuthi uqale kabusha. Dust yourself up, pick yourself up. You know, chin up. So you chin up, face the music head on. So apply kanjalo.
Wow. Wakuthatha le information engale.
That is my secret.
Ushi ingulube, ushi imbuzi, ushi.
That is my secret. That is for me to know.
Wow. Beautiful. Guys, you are still tuned in the Blue Art Podcast. Please don't siyangicela guys. Please siyanicela. Ngicela bancenye mani le. Man subscribe, man share man.
Thank you, please.
Siyanicela guys because the conversation lesiba nayo lana it can help you. Noma ungayibukela phansi kwamanje but I'm telling you in the long run izokusiza showcase noma kanjani. Please don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe and also in the comment section siyacela bhala something la. Lindo asisibe kulendzaba yele besikhuluma ngaye unemployment. Uthini wena ezingumuntu nje lo musha and also with the situation lekhona lazweni lethu? What's your take
when it comes to unemployment?
When it comes to unemployment generally, because if you recall the last episode, right? Sakhuluma indaba ama statistics and the statistics are so disturbing. You know, abshung even till today solo ngiyacabanga abshung. What's your take general?
I think I would say unemployment ngayifananisa njenge HIV.
Oh, okay.
Uyafananisa.
Nenyoni nyalo sesiku HIV ayiyakuvuma.
Nabo GBV.
Oh, okay,
sure. Those things zikudifferentiate as a pandemic because influence affect us so heavily. You understand? So when it comes to unemployment, my take is it has been going on for too long, and listen, someone out there would think I'm being unfair, you know. But I think at the moment, we're blaming the government is now overrated, you know. I feel like we should change the narrative here. We can't say we are unemployed just because it's the government. It's the government. When as what are you doing? Unemployment. So that is my take. It's very cliched now. No, I mean I blame the government for unemployment.
But then sorry ufunzile, you finished your high school, you went to university, you're now graduated. Once you finish Spani, no job.
Now
now you obvious villains with government. I will blame the system.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when now ungabuka kahle laveni.
Okay.
Ubuke my businesses that are owned by the government.
Okay, sure.
How bangaki?
Hey, fact check.
I'm serious. And now I have put your researcher, they'll tell you that most businesses the country they're privately owned. You understand? So who do you blame? Why are you blaming the government? Because government actually working on my business. You understand?
Government spokesperson.
Government
spokesperson.
Okay, let us say.
Okay.
I'm blaming the government.
Wait,
I'm blaming the government.
Okay.
And what's the government? No, let me make means. I'm going to make means ukuthi nine guys niwuthola umsebenzi.
Okay.
Now the question is, what do we have?
Yeah.
Nangathiwa nyalo government uthi bamfla basha bayakhala. What do you have? Phetheni esandleni.
Zero. Nothing. Nje.
Uyabona? Le timfo lekuthiwe ndokubekisela nje Mthobisi last week.
Yeah.
Wathi, what can you say to bamfla basha?
Okay, sure.
Wathi, I think you should take advantage of lama online courses. But laba bamfla basha kusebenta nyalo. They wake up in the morning, umuntu athenge ama data, ongena TikTok, enema video, but still has the nerve to blame the government.
Yeah.
Yini ungathathi lama data uhambe wenda na i-course le mahala.
Yeah, mahala ha.
Mahala ha.
Yeah.
So I think in as much as we are going to blame the government, let's also take accountability.
Okay, as young people.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sure.
This is your life.
Yeah.
Uyakubona.
Yeah.
Ubaliwe vele government lena ukuthi ukhona unguzibani. But in actual fact ngeke azaside sonke.
Yeah, true.
Uyabona.
True.
So that's my take when it comes to unemployment and all that.
Oh, okay. And yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, I really appreciate. And also, if I recall very well, right, the last episode you talked about you being how do I put it, a businesswoman or somebody who had passionate in entrepreneurship, right? How did you do it? Because I'm sure somebody out there who has both the words how, but this guy is talking about unemployment. This guy is talking about us not blaming the government or the system. But yeah, now how did she survive? How did you sustain yourself?
Okay.
Yeah, just take me back kule ndawo yakho you understand uvula business yakubona yokuphusha yokuphanda all the stuff, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Luckily for me,
yeah.
That's my stepmom.
Okay. Okay.
She built my business up and down in my business, and I got a chance to go to my business.
Yeah.
So I was buying a cat you understand? Now I go things like in my breakfast hampers and all that. And I'm like, okay, I end up mad. You understand? So one day I'm in Kaya, because the school there's nothing to do.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Even before that, when I fell pregnant in Kaya, I was like, okay, yini ngaqala ngayo ngihamba lapha ePick n Pay ngathela lokwa easy mix flour ntonto lenye flour dube. It's quite easy. Awumangala futhi because
sijela bo flour ibani bathi kuba labo flour lesibhaka ngama 40. The usual flour.
Safe phrasing.
Hayi yini labo izinto
ubake lo flour lo konke sekwentekile wena nje it's just to compare.
Labantu banifikaphisa labantu hayi.
I took advantage of that. Now when my bunnies
okay,
and I would sell. I started selling from stand to stand. And then from there, I got a job like Sleep Masters as a sales agent. From there, you know what? Let me take advantage of that. Extending your burger.
Yini phela kusishayela lo Sleep Masters. Uthi hayi.
Phela sifuna commission.
Ngisho sophatela phela kushayela siyavusela. Ngabe lo mphethe ukuphethe uviyazi ungiphethe kahle.
Sifuna uphinze ukuyitothenga. So, nangivuka ekseni ngiyahamba before I get to work, I'm going to go around lama offices lama lahlukene. I'm selling my friends. Labanye bagcine bangitayela bathi hawu phela ubosendela a bucket. Yabona. That's how I started.
And the business yakho iyakhula. From you deliver maybe 5 to 10 a day.
Yeah. Went back to school, still the same thing.
Yeah.
We understand.
But then i-pressure banganini ke mhlambe ngithi mashoni angisho kanjalo yabo you understand?
Yeah.
Because bantu ba like sengidayisa ama-fat. Sengidayisa ama-cake yabona. Abantu that syndrome abantu bazothini. How did it affect you?
For me, it really didn't affect me much, especially when you know your situation. The info we understand.
Yeah,
because now ngahamba ngokuthi batothini, especially at school bakanting cheesecake. Yeah.
Soft life.
Bangmangala nemabhakede nemananje. But at the end of the day, I made money.
Yeah. And imali phela ayikabhali ukuthi lena iqhamuka ama-fees. Imali.
Yeah. So it really didn't affect me much, knowing where I come from, knowing what I want, the responsibilities that I have. As Musha.
Yeah.
So it really didn't affect me much.
So then how did you spend your money? because Nalino, what I've seen youth la ngaphandle usungayivula ibhizinisi yakho udayisa njengoba usho wena la ngomafini but kusengindlela espenda ngayo le mali asenze izinto lezi productive ngicabanga ukuthi ilahleka lapho because lesengikubonile we do get some opportunities,
yes,
but then how do we sustain ourselves? Bese kuyasishaya. What worked for you? Because I understand ubusakhula usasemncane unale hype ukuthi asengithenge nawo. Angithenge nangamadeli. Angithenge nawo.
Uyabona wena Dube, at some point in time senguthi I was different, you understand? Mhlambe nalama responsibilities lebenginawo bekahlukile from someone else yabo. So mina benginemntwana, so I knew ukuthi every profit that I make it goes straight to my daughter, uyabona. Nalokuthi I had my mom was very
supportive,
and quite strict ukuthi imali iyakuphi uyabona. So I also think so I think kumcoka nalokuba nemuntfu lotaguide ukuthi when you have imali engaka, this is what you are expected to spend. This is how you expected to spend it. You understand? Uyabeka nje timvu lotidzinga kuna ungadzingi. Yabona? So nawuthi uyabuka nje uwakha imali but unicabanga liteki. How is it going? In as much as uyimpahla, but it's somehow sort of a luxury, you know. But I'm not saying I'm against you ukuthi uthenge impahla. Thenga leyo mpahla but ukhumbule ukuthi kuna 1 2 3 and 4 uyabo.
So in a way we are now challenging parents out there ukuthi they should support abantu ababo. Mangabe umntwana sovula ibhizinisi, just do close monitoring. Ungamiyeke
uyendani
ukuthi wenzani le mali lena, uthenga ini.
Uqala kancane and then nawuwenda lokuncane uyakubona lokuthi okay, this is how business yami ingakhula ngakhona. So if I continue pushing ngawuthatha le amount then invest nginyuke you understand?
I think waba nelakho nalento thina isikhathi sakhula ngaso ukuthi waba nemali nje kuphela uzole koleti angiboleke lapho 50 rand ngizokubhadala
bayahlupha
ngemva kwaloko ayibuyi bese ngisho nomhambele lo muntu uyamhambela uthi
so kanjalo wena Dube.
Guys, you are still tuned in the Blue Heart podcast. So bakhombisa nice side the Blue Heart the Blue Heart podcast. Please guys, sikhulumisa indaba lemqoka yakuthinta nawe, whether uyaspana, whether uspani, whether uyafunda, whether ufundi, le ndaba esikhuluma ngayo namhlanje yakuthinta. Please follow us, like, share, view it. Biza abangani bakho noma bakuphi ubasherele noma base India noma bakuphi le content lena imqoka kakhulu. Namhlanje ngiphethe special guest. Uyasiqhaqha namuhla. Soma business lomkhulu. Ayisuka madoda. So then sasekuye kule ndzaba yakhe ukuthi you decided to venture into kule business, and I want you to venture to me like the obstacles or the problems that you encountered along the way or along the journey. Because also I want to understand ukuthi vele mawuqala ibhizinisi angeke kuze kube smooth. Understand? Yes, abakhona vele. I always say kuma clients ami masuka la kaManzini, it's not a straight road. Kunama pothole, kunama humps, kunama speed traps and everything. So please usithi nje kancane.
For me, my obstacles or my challenges ngingaba nawo, you know. I think it's because le mali wawuthi nayifika kule business ubona ngazo seyiyalapha kakhulu yabona. You know, as I said to you ukuthi I'm not against umuntu athenge something, but nami my business I always wished ukuthi nangathenga skipper nje, but I couldn't get the chance to do that yabona. So sometimes ngiba ngazo this thing is not working for me. It came to a point where I eventually stopped ngathengisa. Ngathi you know what, I am tired, and also it's not an easy thing kuba sebhizinisini because you need to advertise your product. You need to be able to persuade bamfu ukuthi lempo loyithengisako iyaphila. I remember bengithengisa ama oils in high school. Ngafika kulabo madam ngathi
high school.
Ngafika kulabo madam ngathi it was my strategy ukuthi hayi lana madam unuka kahle and all that. So kwaba like noma uthi wena le ndlela osigebengu ngayo the way lo mconvince ngakhona ukuthi ngiyithenge lena strategy zakho zisihle kakhulu. So I think that would also be a challenge kulo munye umuntu ukuthi okay unayo le business but awunaso le strategy seku-advertise le product yakho. You understand? Convincing people ukuthi kuse I'm selling this water bottle maybe ikahle ngalokhu ikahle ngalokhu kahle ngalokhu. Some people like nale rejection, understand? Accept lokuthi some people will not even yabo bayibuke le product yakho. Ndakubekusela ngana kuma pamphlets umhamba anika bama pamphlets. You'd give someone a letter say it's eyelash umbuka yabona lo munye would be hurt and decide ukuthi you know what angiyayiyeka mina le mole. You understand? So it's not an easy journey. It's not. Yabona.
And if you be mentally strong.
Mentally strong. You need to be mentally strong. Uthi you know what? Akahambi kahle namuhla. Tomorrow is another day. I'm going to try.
Power to that. So iphindi.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow is another day.
I'm going to try again.
Yeah. But next time siyovuka futhi siyophala.
Exactly.
No, yabona I like the way lo chaza ngakhona yabo. You are so passionate. And akusinto into lo dlule kiyo. You're talking from experience. How far are you with the business now? Noma so upload
ngibuyile ngibuyile. You know, sangukuthi as umuntu omusha uba nemaphupho. It got to a point where I even wanted to open something like a coffee shop. Because I used to sell muffins.
Power to that.
I have a waffle machine. Maybe I'm going to take my waffle machine ngirentisa a coffee shop. Understand? But nje kuba nalama timvo leti limita ukuthi ngathi sengilume ilikatha lelikhulu kela, you know, kuyahlupha nokuba bede umuntu longa encourage you know akufuce lamba ukuthi no akwaluma ilikatha likhulu into akhona kwenta lemfolo. So that's why sometimes uvela uyayicabanga into and dismiss it again, like no, I can't do that.
Because I want us to quickly go to kule ndaba ye ngiyabona nje lana imoto zula ndiyabo youth fund. I think it's something ofuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo because it's something that is here live. Asosiqhaqo lokuthi kwenziwani lapha yini athi nama lokuba eligible le criteria in as much as ungasebenzi khona yakubona ngabathi mhlawumbe ukhona lonako yakubo to umuntu omusha lokuthi yazi ukuthi there's a program lekhona yaka youth fund, you know.
Luckily ngake ngavala omunye losebenza khona.
Luckily.
Atochaza nje ukuthi as a youth fund sendani.
Sure.
So what I got from there was that yes, baba fund abamhlabasha who want to start a business. Understand? But for you to be eligible, shortly kune I think umnyaka and obviously a proper business plan labatatsi na bayayicilonga babona ukuthi no ema returns akhona la and quite a few things, but lokho umcoka I think it's low business plan ukuthi ibe ezingeni.
Guys, thathana ama notes business plan, thathana ama notes
uyabo. So that is what I know. Otherwise bathi yona vele they do fund bamlabasha, you know, sengukuthi mina azasenze ngilitholele ithuba lokuthi ngizame ngiyo. Another I think you also like uyabhadala phela nasecalile ibusiness yakho kwenda kuzuza kancane yabo, you then start paying back le mali abakuphi uyaphinza uyibhadi ngathi yes I think I think naloko kahle because into nayo mahala you don't tend to like appreciate it.
Kanti mangabe uyazi ukuthi
usebentele wafake
so wena Lindo, what's your advice to amajita langaphandle to amachere langaphandle who are listening to this podcast? Yakubona ukuthi kuseba fethu yazi ukuthini akusiza ukuthi uhlale phansi, you know. You need to venture into izinto ezifana bo business, you know. You need to upgrade yourself, yabo. You need to keep on learning, yakubona unabo online learning, yakubona. What's your advice when?
My advice would be it's not as easy as I would say. Yabona njengoba ungiva nje ngikhuluma ngithi nama I did it dube kwakungasiko lula kangako, you know. lokutivusa phasi nje uthini is not an easy thing to do.
Okay.
You understand?
Sure.
But what I would say, waking up in the morning, mhlambe ngabo 7 or 8, ugcibe umbhede, brush your teeth, wash your face, unuke kahle, says a lot about you. I'm serious. Iyasho nje ukuthi okay, dube ngiyambona ngathi khona lapho. I'm serious. Walala. Kude into longayenza wena.
Encazo yini uvuka ekuseni, wash your face, brush your teeth.
That thing ikhamba something. Ukuthi okay, when there's something that you longayenza, you understand? And
lokuvuka nje uphula ukudla.
Uhambe uhlala lapho ubukela i-TV, then you're on your phone. I'm serious.
Cha mina ngiyavuma, mina I'm guilty, mina vele ngiyavuka mina.
So akusiko lula but nje when unale lemvo ila kuwe, because you cannot do it ingekho la kuwe. You understand? Ungamthatha, you can take the horse to the what? To the river, but you ngeke uyentene. So nawe lemvo yisinabo ufuna kungena leyo business. You understand? Make sure ukuthi the passion is there.
Yeah,
besides the main objective yewantani i-business yini is to make profit. Besides
be passionate, but you need to be passionate.
Yabona le passion,
you need to be passionate.
Ngiyo le bese ithi naso khathele, ithi but
khumbula ba. Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah. But the passion then man.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And asithi hamba on the business ngenkani. There are quite a lot of
okay.
Kukhona man, there are a lot of forums that are doing that are out there for young people. Take advantage of those.
Okay man. Ngicela ukuthi le advice to the youth, right? Asesibe so ikhuluma sekugcineni. Ngicela ukuthi let's delve more into le ndaba passionate, right? Kukhona okunye yona lindo lokuthi angibekise mina ngiyomjidi. Yakubona. Uthi lapho bayakha lapho. But I'm not passionate about uba ngiyini kuthiwa interesting so meselana. Uba umeselana. But sengibuka mina with the current situation lekhona. But I'm not passionate about that. But sengibuka mina the current situation. Yakubona.
Yeah.
I've been unemployed for quite some time. Yakubona. Indlala ibhokile kuyanyiwa baba. Ukati ulaleziwe. Ziyakhala.
Yeah.
What do you say about that?
Letinye timvo siyatenda dube singafuni.
Okay.
Yabo. But now buke the picture lapha.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi this is where I want to get to. Yabona. So for me to get there, kumele ngicale la. Yize noma ngeke kube mnanzi,
yabona. Sure.
Angikuthandi, but at the end of the day, ngifuna kufika lapha.
Yeah.
And isimo si blind. Ndo hamba ngiyoba ngimeselana.
Ngaphandle kwenkinga.
You just need to like mentally uti lungiselele. Yabo. So I thought a very, very, very good point.
Yeah.
Sometimes ngidele passion, you understand? But simo si blind.
Yeah.
Kukahle ushito njani.
Yeah. And then now we are seeing a high rise of ukuthi abantu onelindo they are committing suicide, you know. People are depressed. Yakubona, people are stressed. Yakubona. And labanye they tend to actually abuse drugs due to indaba ye unemployment. Wena as a peer educator uthini indaba leyo, like ngathi the impact that is doing to the youth. Yakubona. Because njoba ngisho ngithi a lot of young people manje mangaphuma manje uthi ubheka lapha esitolo uthola amajita ahleli lapha cela bo 2 rand kabhengi lapho kuyanatha, you know. They are stressed. They are depressed. Yakubona. Ilenza unemployment. When as a peer educator, let's say you are now given the opportunity or the platform. Lindo nalitafula na imic khuluma namajita lapha ahleli lapha. What's your motivation to them? What's your words of encouragement to them?
I think lokumcoka kakhulu is the company that you keep.
Wow. Yeah.
The company that
say that again. Please say that again.
The company that you keep is very important. And in an impact empilweni yakho, negative wise, positive wise. You understand?
Okay, sure.
So I would say mine labamfu if you decide ukuthi uzohlala nebamfu angithethe nje nangibuka kuthiwa i-unemployment itakufikisa le ndlela esistressana ngayo. There's anxiety, there's depression, you know, it's mental health vele kubi dubi kubese kuba kubi yabona. But uyathi ukuthi if take advantage of le timfu lodithanza lokubekisela nangiswazi mobile.
Sure.
Yabona. Nangithi mina labamfu lohlana nabo bamcokwa, you understand? Yabona abafana laba bakhanza bo200. Nangitshela kuseyade kune nangilapha kaSazi Mobile. Ambona Sazi Mobile uswenani? Sazi Mobile uthe wotani into ama agents and then this is maybe how much that you're going to get. Ngenyanga yabo. Lomunye ngalokuthi lo mcondvo wakhe usengikahludeki kahle utawuthena mina ngiyohlala lapha everyday ngifaka iskipa lesibovu nelikepisi nema raincoat ku out ekuseni yabona nale peer pressure iyodwa. You understand? So you cannot make it now senalo mcondvo lekanjalo. If you know what you want and you change the company, there's a lot that you can achieve.
Ngibona ngushala namfana hayona
mbamba, you know. So ungeke uhlale ekoneni but still wena ufuna yabo
ngeke because lokulandzelako lapho vele uma uhleli lapha you are leading to yourself to a crime.
That's the only way unothi nawuphanda kanje ebusuku nje abantu nabaphumile nami ngiyasebenza
manje akusiyimpilo ke le akusiyimpilo lento yabona uthinte indaba ke la indaba ye mental health. You know, and mina I remember natsakhula kudala man Tyson ngesikhathi isikhulu esina kudala mina I knew and I believed lokuthi indaba ye mental health iphatha abantu abadala nje. I never knew ukuthi mental health iyiphathiwe. But manje ngathi uyabuka manje the alarming rate in mental health ihlasele youth ekuseni ngene indlela lezwisana buhlungu ngale indlela ekuseni kubhlungu
kakhulu. I think it's because nalokuthi lemakhaya nakhona seyikhona ipressure.
Okay.
Parents now tend to compare.
Okay, sure.
Labantwana. Akhanza ukuthi wena Dube uhlala ekhaya kalazibani maybe lapha kaMotsa umfana khona kuyaxoxa empilweni yakhe. You understand? Then your mom or your dad start ukufakela pressure ukuthi
ngawasho lamagama ufuna ukuwa. Yangitriggerish.
I'm telling you.
Olethe maye Nkosi yami lamagama solo ngiyakhumbula namanje.
So lamanye amagama labatawakhuluma ababoni lokuthi
but lamagama in as much as ayaku ufuna ukuthina ayakubhidla awakwakhi some of them
njengoba
ngikutshela ukuthi the pressure to go and
utakufakela ipressure one ne
okay
but uthi na akufakela le pressure kude nalento loyithola ko le ngephandle uphinza ubuyi it's the same thing. Ngeke uhlale ungadepresseki, ngeke uhlale ungagowishi.
Okay, but look mina my point is ngiyabekisa right mina olidlami livamise ukuthi phela ukuhlala emakoneni lana nizoboshwa we ungafani nomntana kaZibani nomakhelwane buka wafunza manje ulilowe in yakubona and then kwafika like imoba like you know what angiyeke phela I want to be like that guy lo mjidi waba ngathi uba i role model yami in disguise but through lamagama lengwatshelwa uOled so awangakhi namagama in a way
lawo akwakha.
Okay.
Ahlukile Dube. Ema setups emakhaya ahluke kakhulu. Ahluke kakhulu. You can go around ubabuthe labahlele lamva kwetitolo. I'm not saying ngiyabakhulumela. Some of them benda ngemabomju ukuvilapha. But some of them now ngathi uyabuka nje kahle I deep lenza. You understand? So it's the pressure that I'm talking about. Lengephandle sengifakele le pressure ekhaya ukuthi ekuse kukabi kuyabheda. Sometimes you tend to be the breadwinner at a very young age. Remember Dube phela we still have to be kids, you know. Ngiyakutshela Angibe nje ngumntwana noma ngabe ngize nginabo 22. Labanye at that age of 22 so sekula sengiyi-parent.
Too much, yeah.
Like that is the stage where I still have to enjoy youth yami, but ngi-enjoy in taking care of myself. Not ukuthi senginakazibani, make sengimnakela umbanakhe. Sengiyashintsha from being
le generation yethu yaye
the sister to be
niyajaha mani. Fast forward.
Asijag. Ngula emakhaya.
Yeah.
Nangisho. Ungakhanza umuvu ukhanza ukuthi uceda ukuthola umsebenzi lo kahle. Yabona? But ke wanela ukuthola umsebenzi idubu wena waba i-breakthrough yelikhaya. You understand? Wena sowufundisa sisu umfana sisi wakho, ufundisa umfana Nonto. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's your money that you need to enjoy. But ngalokuthi sekunale pressure lekhaya. It tends to ngena bo depression lo muntu ecabanga ukuthi ibulala. Lama funds akasahlangani. So uyakubomashonisa. Ekhaya makwakho ufuna kudla kamnanzi. Uyasebenza phela dubu. Yabona?
Cha, Lindy, thanks so much for the insights, for the rich information. Guys, please don't forget, you are still tuned in the Blue Heart Podcast, the only podcast that is brought to you by Natik. She's an enriching Scott Desnamani. Konyama iphelo, phela amazinyo endoda. Lindo, sesiyayivala ke manje. Ngunika nje 2 minutes. Ukhulume nje nemajita nemachere, noma ukhulume nje with the youth langaphandle. Or also with the parents, with the unemployment kanjani and lo sokukusizile wena empilweni yakho yabo, to be the girl that you are, to be the woman that you are, to be the mother that you are. Ngicela uba motivate, uba encourage le makhaya.
To the young people I would say, don't be hard on yourself. Don't be. If the opportunity ivela, grab it with both hands and make sure that you uyayisebenzisa. You may never know who's watching the opportunity, and then maybe you attain something that is bigger. And when it comes to the parents, support your children. They need you. And as much as Uvangas would say, I am strong, I still need a cushion to fall back on. You understand? So that's all I can say. Akazameke namuhla, tomorrow is another day.
Sivuka futhi siyobhala sezami.
My
motivational speak. Ladies and gentlemen, sesiyayivala ngosami. Thanks so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Guys, unemployment is real. Sayibona vele ikhona, mental health ikhona. Please come and visit Natik and get a counseling. Mangabe awukhona ufika nathi, get somebody ukhulume naye, ungesabi ukukhuluma. Le ndaba lena yethu sonke, akusiyakho wedwa. Ungazivaleli uthi uyazithatha uzifake ebhodleleni. Indaba yethu sonke, talk to somebody. Your host today, Thokozani Dube aka Torres Magazi.